Hi everyone! In my last video we took a look at how to ask someone how they are in 10 languages, and in this one we will be answering them. Here's how to say all's well, thank you in 10 languages. Alles geht's, yasher koach. Alles geht's, yasher koach. But of course, yasher koach is the formal version of thank you, mostly used by the older generation. Nowadays, when speaking with Yiddish speakers, you'll more likely hear shkoyach, shkoyach. Det går bra, tack. Det går bra, tack. Kaikki on hyvin, kiitos. Kaikki on hyvin, kiitos. Mir geht's gut, danke. Mir geht's gut, danke. Hakol beseder, תודה. הכל בסדר. תודה. Jag mår bra, tack. Jag mår bra, tack. Hagodoil, Tapadh Leibh. Hagodoil, Tapadh Leibh. Tapadh Leibh is the formal version of thank you, used when speaking with someone older than yourself. When speaking with children or someone about your own age, you would say Tapadh Leibh, Tapadh Leibh. Allt gott, tack. Allt gott, tack. Det går gott, tack. Det går gott, tack. Minu läheb hästi, Aitäh. Minu läheb hästi, Aitäh. If you want to know how to say a specific word or phrase in these languages, just drop a comment down below. Tack för idag, lihitraot, tschüss and auf Wiedersehen!